Hey guys, barbecue anytime. Welcome back. Today we are doing Tex-mex beef fajita nachos. Let's go. Today we're using bell peppers, onions for our fajita mix. We're going to saute these beforehand and add them to the cook as we're moving along. So I'm going to go ahead and get these chopped up, and when I'm done with that, we'll move to the skirt steak. We're going to put this on the skillet and we're going to get it sauteed before we actually put the meat on. So let's get the fajitas prepped next. This is just some beef skirt steak I got at the local store. I'm going to open it up and we're going to get this trimmed out. I like this to go pretty quick as far as cook time, and then also once we get prepped up and ready to put these nachos together. So we go ahead and cut these in half. The spices I'm going for are pretty simple for this fajita mix. We're doing some cumin. You got salt. This is about a tablespoon. Teaspoon of garlic. And also we are doing this Sucklebusters 1836 beef rub. Boom. I'm going to get cleaned up and I'm going to show you the next step. These things are on fire. So to complete and plate our Tex-mex nachos, we're gonna do these Tostada shells. Some homemade refried beans here. We're gonna go nice, still warm. Cheese. I love some cheese. Big chunky mix cheese. In here and grab some of these fajitas. And the fajitas on there. You can never go wrong with more cheese. Plenty of cheese. I got some pickled jalapenos going on. We're going to throw this in the oven. We're going to go ahead and get our drink ready. We're just doing a straight, simple tequila on ice with a little bit of lime. Just on the rocks. This is El Jimador Tequila Wispado. So we'll have that ready to go. Let's go check on those nachos. Kicking nachos. Woo! That looks good. We're gonna throw some homemade pico de gallo. Throw that on top. I got my avocado already cubed up, ready to go. Just avocado everywhere. Avocado number one, other half. Finish it off, just good old-fashioned sour cream. Dollop there, dollop there, and one final dollop. So nachos are done. Like I said, these came out fantastic. They look awesome. Just loaded with toppings and flavor. Look at that. Just wow. Looks so good. Well, I'm not gonna eat all this by myself. Family's gonna enjoy this. But Dad's gonna go ahead and take the first bite. Yeah, tons of flavor. These are definitely Tex-mex style. I want to get some more avocado in there. Before I go, guys, wanted to also give a shout out to Robert Sierra for this hat. Go check it out. If you want one, hit him up. I'll leave a link in the description as far as how you can order one of these. Support your local pitmaster. Definitely a cool hat. Been sporting it. Barbecue anytime here. Talk to you next time. Hello, dude. That's the Jason. He's hungry. See you next time. Later. Barbecue time.
Yeah.